In 2026, many drivers could find their license suspended without ever speeding, crashing, or breaking a traffic rule. No warning siren, no officer at the door, no dramatic moment, just a quiet administrative issue that flips a switch in a computer system. And suddenly, you're driving illegally without realizing it. This isn't speculation. It's already happening in multiple states, and the systems behind it are becoming stricter and faster. Most people still believe licenses are suspended because of bad driving. That's no longer the main reason. Today, suspensions often come from missed paperwork, automated checks, and deadlines buried inside databases that don't consider how responsible you've been for the past 30 years. By the end of this video, you'll understand what's triggering these suspensions, which rule is catching the most people off guard, and how to protect yourself before 2026. To understand why this is happening, you need to know what changed behind the scenes. 3 major shifts are happening at the same time. First, aging drivers. Millions of Americans are entering retirement age, and older drivers are now the fastest growing group on the road. States are under pressure to monitor safety more closely than ever before. Second, automation. DMV systems are no longer slow and manual. Insurance records, medical reporting, traffic violations, and license status are increasingly connected in real time. When something is missing, the system reacts instantly. No human review, no second thought. Third, rising financial costs. Crash claims and insurance payouts are skyrocketing. States are responding by tightening compliance rules and relying more on automated enforcement instead of warnings. Put these together, and one thing disappears: leniency. Years ago, a mistake might have triggered reminders or follow-ups. Today, one notice is often all you get. If you miss it, the system moves forward without you. Let's look at the most common trigger happening right now. 1. Insurance gaps you didn't notice. Many states now use electronic insurance verification. Your insurance company and DMV are digitally connected. If your coverage lapses, even briefly, the system flags it immediately. This usually happens because of something small: an expired credit card, a failed automatic payment, an email sent to an old address within days. The DMV logs an insurance lapse. Your registration or license can be suspended before you even realize there was a problem. To fix it, you may need reinstatement fees, paperwork, and proof of coverage. If you're stopped during this time, your vehicle can be impounded. Prevention: use autopay linked to a bank account. Check your policy status monthly. Never allow even a 24-hour gap when switching insurers. Keep your contact info updated. 2. Medical reporting you didn't expect. In several states, doctors must or can report certain medical conditions that affect driving ability. This includes vision loss, seizure disorders, loss of consciousness, or cognitive decline. You might feel perfectly fine and have driven safely for years. But if a report is filed, the DMV may request medical forms or vision tests. If you ignore the letter or delay responding, the system marks it as non-compliance and suspends your license automatically. Prevention: ask your doctor if your condition is reportable. Respond immediately to any DMV medical request. Submit documents before the deadline. 3. Age-based renewal rules. After a certain age, 65, 70, 75, or 80, depending on the state, renewals may require in-person visits, vision tests, or medical checks. Many people discover this only when online renewal is denied. A simple renewal turns into appointments, tests, and delays. Prevention: check renewal rules for your age group. Schedule eye exams before renewal. Start the process early. 4. Distracted driving rules you didn't realize were strict. In many states, touching your phone while the engine is running is illegal, even at a red light. Penalties increase quickly with repeat offenses and can lead to points, insurance hikes, and even suspension. Prevention: set navigation and music before driving. Use voice commands. Pull over and park if you must use your phone. 5. The long-term impact of a single suspension. A suspension today doesn't end when you pay the fee. It can affect your insurance rates for years, require special filings like SR22, and stay on digital records that insurers review. One small mistake can have a long financial shadow. Practical steps to protect yourself. Check your license expiration and renewal requirements. Now, Schedule vision and medical checkups early. Confirm your insurance payments and coverage dates. Learn your state's distracted driving rules. Update contact details with DMV and insurer. Use reminders and autopay. Keep copies of all documents. Driving is more than transportation. It's independence. The system no longer assumes you're responsible. It assumes you must prove compliance. The people who avoid problems aren't perfect drivers. They're drivers who stay ahead of deadlines and respond quickly to notices. Stay informed. Stay prepared. Protect your ability to drive.